Right, Mrs. What's today's video? What we doing? Where we going?
Go find headcorn.
Go find a mushroom.
Check the Chilli Island.
Check Toons Chillies on the island. That's on the island. So there's the island, and there's is on the island of the island. So it might take a while to get there. We're going to check all the other islands around there, see if we can get some mud mushrooms. All the dogs are coming with us, so we might throw one of them in for a laugh. See you around the other side. So we've got the canal crossing here. Couple more downpours, this will be underwater. So I don't know how Toon's going to check her chilies then.
Check mushroom first.
Check mushroom first, then the chilies. Probably no chilies left anyway.
You update your chili to let anyone know yet. You got about one left.
Got more than one plant left.
Get real.
Yeah, but dogs are pissed on my chilies, isn't they? This island's quite clean, probably not any good for them, isn't it?
Dog check for me already.
Well, they dug one out this morning.
Yeah.
You got one, young? Huh? You got one, girl? Young. Oh, and Mo's up there as well. Rats, 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 rats. No, no, no.
Look at that. Million.
So no mushrooms, but lots of sadao. We're presently doing a wild food series. Sadao, the flowers on that are lovely and bitter.
Num num.
Make your tongue curl.
Make special dip for it. With koyopachon. Oh, tasty.
Right.
No mushroom.
First island, 0 mushroom. On to the next one.
Yeah. Mountain. ไม่มีหรอก
No squirrels, Bambi?
อ๋อต้นกระดูกนี่วะ
Oh, what are they then? What do you call them? They look like fusty little apples.
ต้นกระดูกหรือต้นอะไรวะ Yeah,
Megan.
I think you can eat them. I have to ask Mom what are they. I forgot now.
Settle down.
Look like ต้นกระดูก
Mushroom count up to 0. Well, I found a rock in a tree though. That don't count though. Someone suggested we should call the lake Pamela Anderson Lake due to all the curves. Not sure about that. But Toon did find a new island today. It's 2 islands joined together, so she called it Booby Island. That has got a lot of mushrooms on, but we can't get in there yet. But if it's a boy island, it'd have to be Moobs. Mooby Island. I think we got enough morning glory, haven't we? Ah, this is Babuk Island. Yeah, I might only have about 3 chilli plants left myself, but at least I haven't got to wade through the crocodile ditch.
I want to take them to the island.
They might come across if we go over anyway. You're going anyway, young, by the looks of it. They're great, these mushroom videos, aren't they? Whoa. I think she can get over from there, can't she? Then. Oh.
Yeah, if I let her in the water, she might swim out.
I'll bring Mo then.
Yeah.
Come on then. Squirrels over here.
Oh, oh, oh.
Come on, Bambi. Come on. No, it's all the way round. Right, let's check out Team Thailand's chilies.
2.
Where?
Yeah. Yeah.
I'll tell you what,
3.
I don't mind showing mine now after this. I don't know what I was worried about.
Look. Look.
Wow, you must be so proud.
Yeah, they're all alive. Marcel.
Wow, I'm so jealous.
You just land on it.
I mean, just look at that. That is a thing of
Land.
beauty. What?
Just land on it.
That is dead. Anyway, look.
They're not gonna die. You just kill them.
I mean, look at that. I mean, that's going to crop heavily, that is.
There, the one on the front, taller.
Whatever.
Where you corn?
My corn, somewhere.
Here, innit?
Birds must have had it.
Yeah.
You see any?
Yeah. Is that right or weed?
That is weed, isn't it? Oh no. It was about 50 years old, wasn't it? Go on, mate.
No. No, that's not corn.
Oh well.
Fucking hell. ไม่ต้องหรอก
Bambi, come on.
See, you see, yung more here, ma.
Play it out.
Honey,
Hmm.
we're gonna walk over without them and let's see what
Yeah.
they're doing.
You're not watering them while you're here? Save you a half-hour trip. Young, come on then. Come on then.
Ma, yeah, ma.
Yeah, come on. Young,
Ma?
young.
Ma.
Young. Yay! Good girl.
Mo.
Mo. Don't let the side down.
Ma.
Mo. Oh, get a grip. Mo. See, that's my dog, very clever. Looking for the easiest way across.
Maybe she say not deep enough.
Come on, Mo. Oh, young.
Look at that.
Gonna go back across?
Look at the ear. One up, one down.
Come on, you two. Mo. Mo. Mo, yeah.
Ma.
Yeah. Yeah, so it's great that we finally got one dog that likes water, isn't it?
Ma. Don't worry about her.
Here she goes. Young. Come on, Mo. Come on. Bail out. Come on, Mo. Mo. Come on, this time. Not she got to jump from there. Go on. Liu. Come on, Mo. Here she goes. This time, definitely. Look at this. Fearless. Fearless. Mo.
Yung show her. Mo.
You're going to have a lonely night, Mo. Oh, have to jump in there. 3 metre deep. Yeah. You're letting the side down, Mo. Come on. Come on, young. Leave her. Natural selection. Come on then. Good girl. Come on. Young. Come on then. Easy, innit? It's like dike jumping in the Scouts. Come on, girl. Come on, Amo. Mo. Come on then. Here she comes. Come on, Mo. 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 Yay! Come on. Don't stop now. Good. Good girl. Good girl. There she come. Just like the real Mo. She scores when she wants. So, hope you enjoyed this mushroom picking extravaganza video. Hope you've learned a lot. How to find them, how to cut them. And yeah, I don't think we'll do another one of these videos ever again. This has been recorded on the day England are going to play Sweden. So if we don't win tonight, don't worry guys. I think I've got the England versus Thailand chili challenge in the bag. No problem.
Actually, draw.
Can't be a draw.
It's draw.
Toon always says this when she's losing.
I'm not saying that.
Okay, bye for now then.
I've got chili.
Ta-da! Bye for now. This could go on for quite some time. We're just walking back and we just spotted an interesting little plant here. Wow, it's just a weed grown wild. It's a little bit small at the moment, but that weed Toon saw on Facebook. If you suffer badly, and I mean really badly, from hay fever out here, and you've tried all the other known medications and the injections and all that sort of thing, that stuff, if you pick it and roll it for dry it for a couple of days, make a roll up, and I'm not, what do I say, not promoting smoking, but that is the best thing Toon has ever found that works for her hay fever. It hasn't cured her, but every time she smokes it, it goes. If you'd seen her eyes this morning when she got back home from the a motorbike trip into town, her eyes are bright red, runny nose, itchy face, the whole works. I have hay fever, but nothing, I've never seen anything like it. This stuff clears it up. So we may do a vlog on it one time. I'll probably get some sticks saying people saying, "Oh, you're trying to make people smoke." But the relief that Toon's got from using it, it is well worth pointing out. So maybe in the future. That's it for now. Bye.